welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I am a makeup artist and a book lover. It is almost Thanksgiving, and let's do a Thanksgiving / fall look using the Glamlite and Trick or Treat collection. So I got this collection with my own money and I am obsessed with the packaging. I am going to be doing swatches at the end. I'm going to just get right into doing the makeup. But to be warned, I'm not going to do like arm swatches. I'm just going to do them on my palm because my hand and arm is kind of cut up a little bit from my cat having a freak out moment. I'm good. I'm just covered in bandages. But I have my base makeup done except for my blush, and then we'll get into the eyes and the lips and like try out all these products, and I'm so excited for it. But this is the box for it. It is massive. It is so cute. I am obsessed with it. And the inside, so good. The entire collection comes with like a candle, a body butter, a blush duo, a lip kit, an eyeshadow palette, a mirror. Am I forgetting something? Maybe. There's a candle, and then everything else came in like this burlap sack. But they went like all out with the packaging. Like you can see like the inside here. I love it. I'm gonna burn this today, I think. So the candle is a pumpkin scented candle, and it just has Trick or Treat on it, and it is adorable. Like the packaging, everything 10 out of 10. And there is a mirror. There is the packaging. That is adorable. And it says his night, his rules. I can see myself using this mirror constantly because it is actually a really good mirror. And then there's the Holly Ho lip kit. Packaging, again, 10 out of 10. So this comes with a lipstick, a lip gloss, and a lip liner. Lip liner is just a brown. You will see me using that eventually. The lipstick tube is so cool. And it's embossed all around with Trick or Treat. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. I don't know if it really has a scent, but it's a really pretty color. It's definitely like more like peachy orange. I think it's gonna pair very well with the lip liner. And then this is the packaging for the gloss. So cute. This one is like orange. Ooh, that's so pretty. Has a lot of sparkle in it. So it's a very light orange color with just a ton of sparkle in it. Should I zoom you in? Yeah, that is so pretty. That's gonna be such a pretty lip combo, especially for the fall time. You know what, should I just do swatches now while I'm here? You don't need to be that close to me. There is a body butter, and it's orange. Ooh. I don't know if I like that smell. What is this supposed to be? But looks like that. It's almost like pumpkin, but also just like candy. I don't know how I feel about that. And there is a little blush duo. Again, packaging, 10 out of 10. Like, that is adorable. I cannot wait to play with these, especially this one. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but you can kind of see like what it's embossed with. And the last thing is this palette. I'll backtrack and swatch the blush in a second, but I just want to show you this palette because I'm obsessed with the color story and the packaging, and it's like has like the flip, and like these shades just scream fall time. They are so just yummy looking. I cannot wait to just dive into this, but it is so gorgeous. Backtracking to the blush. I really don't want to ruin this, but I don't think that these have names. So I'm just gonna go into this one. Ooh, it's very soft. Those are very bright. I really like that. I think this one's gonna be my favorite color, but I can see this one being really good to like blend this out, but gorgeous. So, and the palette, of course, has 5 shimmers and 5 mattes. I'm just gonna quickly swatch those. These are anything like the typical Glamlite formula. They're gonna be insane, which, oh, so good. Alright, and then here are all the shadows swatched. They are so insanely pigmented and so pretty. The shimmers are just so stunning. I'm super excited for this palette. It is a fall dream, and I wish I would have played with this a little bit sooner so I could do a couple more looks before Thanksgiving, but life is life. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the blush palette. I already have my contour and highlight on, so I'm just gonna pop on a little bit of the blush. I'm gonna start with this shade and put it more like towards the back and do this one a little bit closer on the apple. I think that's the vibe I want to go with. And this is just a Real Techniques brush. Oh yeah, that's pigmented. Ooh, I love that though. And all of my other makeup details are going to be listed down below if you're interested in what I have going on. But ooh, that's such a pretty color. I love that. Just for the sake of trying out both shades, I'm going to use a different brush. I'm going to dip into a lighter shade. I'm just going to dust that like right in here. It's very soft. Ooh. I like both of these a lot. I'm going to take a quick mix and just put it on the tip of my nose. I love this. So good. Now, before I go in with the shadow, I am going to prime with my Anastasia eye primer. Just still my go-to. Good enough. So I am going to get started with the eye makeup. Now, this is going to be like my take on like Thanksgiving / fall makeup. I'll be honest, when it comes to Thanksgiving, I don't really wear a ton of makeup, but I am super excited for this palette. I will probably use this on Thanksgiving this year. Alright, so hopping into this palette, I think I'm going to start with this shade. And I'm going to pack this all over my lid. But as I was saying, I don't typically wear a lot of makeup on Thanksgiving. I do tend to do a lot of the cooking, so I don't like wearing makeup because it just, hot kitchen makeup just doesn't work. It just doesn't work. Taking a brush like this, and I'm hoping I don't get a ton of fallout. If I do, I'll deal with it. But I'm going to take this shade, tap off a lot of the excess, and I'm going to start right here. Ooh, yeah. I love that. So I'm stamping, and then I'm going to start to blend this out. And hold on to this brush because I'm going to keep going back in and tapping more on, but I am going to switch over to a fluffier blending brush, and I'm going to go into the shade here just very lightly, and I'm going to start working this all across the crease. I probably should have went in with this shade first, but I like to do things out of order. So I'm not looking for a perfect blend right away. I'm just looking to get pigment down and, you know, go through the motions of making almost a smoky eye. But like, it's probably going to be like a full-on smoky eye. Who am I kidding? You can see that blended away some of the lid. So it is definitely a lot of back and forth. It is a little bit too much work for Thanksgiving, but when I think of this time of the year and this holiday, I think of like yummy, grungy, like brown smoky eyes. Going back into that more yellow shade and just reblending. I will say the shade on my lid is a little bit patchy, so I don't know what's going on with that. But then again, I haven't really done my makeup in a while, so I could just be like severely out of practice. I'm gonna take another blending brush and I'm gonna mix this shade and this shade, so the two more orangey shades. I'm gonna put this also in my crease just to kind of smooth out this transition. Oh yeah, much better. I'm liking how that's looking so far. I'm gonna take a smaller blending brush. This one's from Game Beauty. And I'm gonna go into this shade. Just gonna take just the barest bit on there, and I'm gonna just kind of focus this, just blending out right in here. This shade is definitely a little bit patchy. I think going in with a colored base would work better with this. I'm gonna take that same shade though, same brush, and I'm gonna start running this on my lower lash line. I like a really heavy lower lash line. Obviously, you do you. This is just what I like, and I like connecting it to the top and just really rounding that out. I'm gonna go in with a new blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with that yellow shade and just sweep that pretty much all around, even on the lower lash line. Really just smoke this out, really blend it all out and make it cohesive. That's pretty much how I want the mattes to be. So now we're going to play with some of the shimmers, and I'm going to start with this lightest shimmer, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone, hopefully. If this doesn't work out, I'll put my face highlight on the brow bone. And this is just a brush from Game Beauty. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's very gold. Okay, I'll put this down as a base, but then I'm going to go in with my face highlighter. Just because I like a much lighter brow bone highlight. I am, however, going to put that on my inner corner. Just kind of smudge that around. And my face highlight is from Rare Beauty, the Enlighten shade. I'm just going to, same brush, just lightly go over what I did. Oh yeah, much better. Much better. I'm also going to lighten up the inner corner. Just blend that out, make it a little less harsh. I don't think I really have a lot of fallout to contend with, so I'm happy on that front. I am going to put a shimmer on my lower lash line. I'm going to do this one on my lower lash line. So I want to try that with a brush. Probably should. I'm not using glitter glue because, I'll be honest, I just don't feel like messing with it. This is a Luxie 213 brush. Probably not the best brush for this. Did I say the last one? I think I said the last one. Whatever, I'm doing the last shimmer, the darkest one. I'm just going to focus this right on my lower lash line. Just really smudge that all across. Ooh, yes. I do love a shimmer heavy lower lash line. I'm going to flip the brush over and go right next door into that more like bronzy shade. And just kind of right in the center tap that. And I'm going to mix those two shades together and just lightly all across my lid. That's stunning. I don't want like a full opaque swipe, just a little shimmer on the lid. That is so pretty. Ooh, Yes, love that. The only two shades I didn't use was this bright yellow and this black, which I'm happy with that. I'll be honest, I love this palette already. I'm sure I will get use out of those two shades in a future look, but I love how this looks. So I'm gonna finish the eyes off camera, which I'm just gonna put on like some liner and mascara and pick out a lash. But I'm gonna try out this lip kit now. Just the packaging is so cute. Okay, first up is the lip liner. Brown is not a shade I typically gravitate towards, but it is beautiful. And I hate lining my bottom lip because my bottom lip is not even and my top lip is like non-existent. It's totally not even at all. Also, my lips are super dry because it's been super cold. I'm just gonna take my finger and smudge this out. I'm gonna take the lipstick and I'm gonna focus this more in the center and blend that out with my finger. I do wish that this was like a little bit lighter, but I think for what it is, that's really pretty. I do like that lip combo. And then I'm gonna throw the gloss on top. Oh yeah. Oh, that's such a pretty gloss. It will hopefully hide some of the super dry bits of my lips. But ooh, yes. Oh, so pretty. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to go and hop off and finish my eyes. And I'll be back to show you the finished look and to wrap up my thoughts on this collection. TBH, it's not going to be too long of a wrap up because I absolutely love everything. Alright, and here's the finished look. I actually really like how this all came out together. I don't like this makeup style with my hair in a bun, but it's hair washing day, so I gotta deal with it. But like I said, I just quickly finished off my eyes. I went in with my Real Beauty mascara. I went in with my Teddy lashes from Kiss. And then in my waterline, I did Cherry Pie from Colourpop. And I also added a little bit of Castello also just like to highlight certain areas. And then I went in with one of the NYX and Beetlejuice liners just to do a small wing and a little bit of the faux bottom lashes. And what else did I do? I just threw in a brow gel to help darken my brows because it needed something. It needed something. But this is the finished look. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna backpedal a little bit and talk about these products now. So overall, I absolutely love this collection. I think that every item is just fantastic. I'm a little iffy on the body butter, but that I think is just more for the scent than anything else. But everything about this collection is just fantastic. The packaging, the theme, just everything. So good. I'm obsessed with this color story. Even though the shade went a little bit patchy, I got it to work for me. Still so good. The blushes, intense. The lip kit, gorgeous. I can see myself doing this combo a lot in the future. So good. And of course, the mirror, so cute. So cute. And for the candle, it smells so good. I cannot wait to burn this later, but I am just excited for everything. So overall, I really love this collection. I feel like quality wise, it's on par for the other like Glamlite items that I've tried before in the past. Obviously, I haven't tried like a ton from the brand. I've tried enough to where I know if it's like good or not. And everything is fantastic. So I'm not going to drag this out too much longer because I just absolutely love it. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you like it. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And it's almost Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. I do have a video that is going to be going up on Thanksgiving Day, but it's just going to be a book haul because I have gone a little bit crazy with buying books this month. But anyways, if you celebrate Thanksgiving, I hope you have an amazing day. And if you are traveling for the holiday, I hope you have safe travels. But like I said, I think that's it for this video. So once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye! Turn this life into something that you can never run. So fight